Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Certified Talent Manager Analyst program, or as we call it CTMA, offered by Middle Earth HR. So, why Middle Earth HR? Middle Earth HR is recognized as one of the top 10 training companies by trainingindustry.com and has conducted 50,000 workshops over 30 countries in the last 26 years. Many of our workshops have been recognized by global agencies as the best in the world. Quite an impressive achievement, wouldn't you say? If you are a HR professional, talent manager, or a learning and development specialist, or someone passionate about people strategy, you have probably wondered, is it really worth becoming a certified talent manager? Well, let's find out from our participants.
I'm successful today because of the course that I have done through Middle Earth, and that's the reason I'm again doing the fellowship through Middle Earth. And they have given me opportunities whenever I needed.
Exercises, the discussions, everything is good. And people are taking initiative and sharing their company roles, etc. And definitely the connection should go on. And expecting for the next course. And thank you and all the best to all participants. Thank you, sir.
So three things I loved in this session is number one, the exercises, so which were real time. Absolutely, this 4 weeks were like flown away in time. It was, I think, when one more week would help. So, anyways, thank you. Thanks for
those 4 hours were so engaging that and a lot to learn. So it was very full of enjoyment and full of learning. So thank you everyone.
It has been a wonderful experience for me as well. This is probably my 4th certification in the last 10 years, and it has been one of the best ones.
Let's start with what talent management isn't. There are so many misconceptions floating around about this role. People often think it's about recruitment, managing training programs, a soft HR function with no data, something reactive, not strategic, focusing only on top performance, or that engagement and culture have nothing to do with it. But all of this is completely wrong. The truth is, talent managers are strategic architects of the workforce. Their role is to manage the entire talent life cycle of the employee. The job includes onboarding, development, performance, engagement, succession planning, and retention. So it's not just about filling the positions, it's about building future-ready teams. Talent managers work hand in hand with leadership teams to forecast workforce needs, identify high potential talent, and design succession plans that ensure continuity and leadership strength. They are not just supporting HR operations, they're acting as strategic business partners. And here's something many organizations miss: engagement, recognition, and culture, which are the foundation of retention. Talent managers design systems that connect individual purpose with organizational goals through retention, feedback, and continuous development. No, they don't just focus on the top 10 performers. A great talent manager also uplifts average performers and re-engages underperformers through coaching, mentoring, and personalized growth plans. The goal is not selective focus, but organization-wide capability building. The best talent managers are not reactive, they are predictive. They use analytics to forecast future skill gaps, succession risks, and capability shortages long before they become business problems. It's a shift from firefighting to future-proofing with data-backed. So, if you're ready to move from being a traditional HR practitioner to becoming a strategic architect of talent, the Certified Talent Manager Analyst program is your next step. Because in the end, talent management isn't about managing people. It's about shaping the future of the organizations. So welcome to CTMA, where strategy meets people. For more information, please fill in the form or call on the number given below.